Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
आता मद्रास IIT न घातला, so they will take and tell what to improve the structure. ते करतात.
या दिवसांनी ऍक्सिडेंट खूप झाले त्याचे. ऍक्सिडेंट खूप झाले त्याचे.
No, I see. Even though I may be a technical person, I should not comment on something which I should not know. There, IIT Madras has been given the job. They will give whether it is HT, FHT, what that, all that. IIT Madras will make the report and give us within the few.
पण ऍक्सिडेंट खूप झाले या दिवसांनी.
निलेश बाबा जर टेक्निकल मनीस नसताना नॉर्मल मनशान सुद्धा दिश्टी पडटा की जे रॅम्प आहा पोरवरेच्यान वटेन जेन्ना फोंड्या वता ते वटेन देंवता ते वटेन खुबशे ऍक्सिडेंट जाता कारण रायट लेफ्टाचो खूब प्रॉब्लेम आहा.
तू भितर तेरे कितें विचारलं टेक्निकल तू बस शब्द वापरता पळय ते सारखे वापर पयलीं सांगता. एक गोष्ट हांव जर टेक्निकल मनीस आसा म्हाका सामान्य लोकांक दिसता ते म्हाका खबर आहा पूण टेक्निकलिटी कित्याक जाता ते IIT मद्रास दिता सांगला मरे IIT मद्रास तेजे वेदर इट इज वर्क्समॅनशिप डिफेक्ट वेदर इट इज वॉट डिफेक्ट दे विल गिव द रिपोर्ट देन वी विल डिसाइड व्हाट
या सगळ्या
See, Goa is a pothole free road state. Now what is happening here and there are some potholes which have been formed and we have taken all precautions to see that the potholes are reinstated. Now in some roads where the internal roads where the machine does not go, maybe they will remain. We will find means and ways of doing. I am trying to introduce a new machine this time where during the monsoon also we can remove potholes by putting pressure, wind pressure, and it dries up with dry mix within half an hour. So I'm working out with new technologies. We are bringing new technologies. We will try to do. I promise the people of Goa that maybe this year monsoons, potholes, I will try. See, you all make a statement in such a way, you all bring headlines in such a way that I am not doing that. I'll like to request all of you that headlines should not brought in the fashion what you desire. I am telling very clearly that potholes of Goa will not be there. Because of this inconsistent rain when works are going on, it does not allow the technical team to put the hot mix. That's why it might remain. But I can assure you, next year monsoon 100% there will be no potholes in Goa.